Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study from first aid for step 1. First, familiarize yourself with the book's layout, which is organized by organ system and subject. This foundational understanding helps you navigate its vast content efficiently. Next, focus on active learning techniques rather than passive reading. This approach significantly boosts retention and comprehension, making your study time more productive. We will explore specific methods to maximize your learning. Active recall is crucial. Don't just reread. After studying a section, close the book and try to explain the concepts aloud or write them down. Spaced repetition, perhaps using a flashcard program like Anki, reinforces information over time, preventing you from forgetting. Make your own flashcards for high-yield facts and challenging topics. Also, actively annotate your first aid book with notes, mnemonics, and diagrams to personalize your learning. First aid is a high-yield summary, not a standalone resource. Integrate it with question banks, like UWorld, to apply concepts and identify your weak areas. Use video lectures, such as those from Boards and Beyond or Sketchy Medical, to clarify complex topics and add visual memory aids. Cross-reference information with more comprehensive textbooks only when you need a deeper dive into a particular subject. Consistent review is paramount for long-term retention. Dedicate specific time slots each week to revisit previously covered material, especially your weak areas identified from practice questions. Don't be afraid to adapt your study plan as you progress and learn what works best for you. Remember, the goal is not just to memorize, but to understand and apply the information effectively. Stay consistent and trust your process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.